Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the energetics of eating, aligning food, body, and cosmic intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, life on Earth is not a coincidence of biology, but an outcome of intricate cosmic programming. The universe, its vastness, is designed to support life through abundance, through rhythm, and through intelligence that is accessible when inner alignment is achieved. This alignment is not merely physical, it is emotional, energetic, and spiritual. It arises when human systems resonate with the architecture of creation through food, air, sunlight, rest, and conscious action. Let's examine the subject from two perspectives. First, cosmic energy interface and human energy dynamos. The human being is an energy interface, receiving, processing, and expressing energy across multiple planes. The brain acts as the central instrument in this exchange, relying on seamless energy flow generated by interconnected systems: the heart, lungs, gut, and nervous matrix. Energy is not limited to physical exertion. It encompasses emotional vitality, mental focus, and spiritual receptivity besides aspirational drive. These dimensions together form the human energy dynamos. The physical dynamo, however, forms the foundation, requiring oxygen and food to generate the base energy. Here, food functions both as energy and as medicine, supporting not only survival but awareness and performance. Oxygen, accessed through deep nasal breathing, completes the circuit, allowing digestion to be efficient and transformation of food into usable energy rather than undigested waste. A well-oxygenated system improves not just digestion but also emotional regulation, sleep, and clarity. The second aspect is calorie versus nutrition, balance and burn. Food carries energy in the form of calories, and health emerges from a dynamic balance between intake and expenditure. Energy consumed through physical movement and mental activity must find its balance in the energy received from meals. When intake exceeds consumption, excess energy is stored, often as fat, leading to obesity and other lifestyle diseases. The core of these conditions lies in this disruption of energy equilibrium. Intermittent fasting, a widely studied and increasingly practiced approach is based on this very principle. By reducing the feeding window, overall calorie intake is reduced, allowing the body to burn stored energy, improve metabolic function, and recalibrate internal rhythms. However, calorie control alone is not complete nutrition. Calories and nutrition serve different purposes. Calorie balance governs weight, metabolic efficiency, and energy availability. Nutrition, on the other hand, ensures cellular repair, immune resilience, hormonal harmony, and long-term vitality. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and omega-3 fats, when consumed in thoughtful proportion, build the body's natural defense and regeneration systems. What's the way forward? The way forward lies in conscious programming of food intake. Every meal represents a decision whether to energize, nourish, or burden the system. Conscious eating begins with awareness of what is being consumed, when it is consumed, and how it is consumed. A carefully planned meal platter, rich in essential nutrients and aligned with circadian rhythms, activates the digestive system when it is naturally primed, usually during daylight hours when metabolic fire is strongest. Water intake, though essential, requires timing. Drinking water during meals dilutes gastric enzymes like bile and impairs digestion. Ideally, hydration should occur 30 minutes before or after eating to preserve digestive integrity. Food in its highest form is medicine. When chosen with care, it delivers anti-inflammatory compounds, antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and phytonutrients that strengthen the immune system, detoxify cells, and delay biological aging. Spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and herbs are among the oldest forms of functional food, offering biochemical intelligence for healing. Physical activity and mental engagement are the natural pathways to burn stored energy. Movement oxygenates tissues, activates enzymatic pathways, and clears stagnation, both metabolic and emotional. Mental focus, too, consumes measurable energy, underlying the importance of balanced intellectual and physical effort in daily life. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, there is a message from ancient wisdom. Alignment with life's energy grid begins with food, the first act of internalization. When food is consumed not merely for taste but as a source of vitality, awareness, and healing, the transformation begins at the cellular level. Each bite becomes an offering, not only to the body, but to the intelligence that sustains all life. As Lord Krishna educates Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and as narrated in the Bhagavad Gita, for one who is moderate in eating and recreation, balanced in work and rest, and regulated in sleep and wakefulness, yoga becomes the destroyer of suffering. This guidance remains timeless. Through conscious intake, rhythmic living, and balanced action, the body becomes a vessel of clarity, the mind a conductor of purpose, and the spirit reconnected to the cosmos. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.